A huge trade here on the British Pound USD 1 hour time frame. Watch the video until the end because I'm going to analyze all the trades and show you what happened on the Forex market and of course on Forex Trendy. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the trades on the 1 hour time frame for those traders and investors who operate on the higher time frame. Usually I operate on the 5-minute charts and the 30-minute charts, but I'm well aware that majority of traders who have other duties in their life prefer to invest their money on the upper time frames. So yeah, I'm going to show you which opportunities we can find on Forex Trendy. Bear in mind that this is a small part of trades, and I'm going to show you what I see. So the first trade of the month, September the 21st, is Australian dollar USD. We have a triangle sell signal break at 66.75. Let me open the pen. So the price action looks pretty fair to me. Okay, we got this nice bearish engulfing here, a very big red candle. Okay, and for me it's just enough to justify the quality of these bearish inputs. The breakout of this previous level around 68.30, far away from the 50 level. But anyway, after this strong bearish impulse, we got this triangle forming and the price is moving in an harmonic way. The breakout was solid even though we had a retest, but again another bearish engulfing on this 1 hour time frame. It's not so common on the 5-minute time. Okay, so for me it's new it's a new trading experience. I'm thinking about switching of opening a second account for longer term trading. I'm not a big fan of it because the day trading is not a kind of business, and it gives emotions that any other business doesn't give you. Okay. But anyway, so we got a retest at 66.50. And then the price harmonically going down to 63.67. So a pretty nice trade, around 300 pips more or less. And the US dollar is pretty strong in this period. Okay, it's going. If you look at the charts, you're gonna see the dollar is performing pretty good. So this sell was, of course, was fair. Let's jump to the British Pound, the USD. We have a triangle sell signal break at 1362. Again, here we got fundamental analysis coming in our support because the latest monetary policies of the Bank of England just pushed the pound at its lowest rates. So after, as you can see, again we got bearish impulse, then the market going calmly down and forming this triangle, and the breakout was pretty good, and we got a retest here to this thing at 1362, and then the price continued to fall down, reaching the 104.27. A huge trade, a huge one. And I don't know, because I don't trade these upper time frames, but I guess the traders who took a short position, even with a trailing stop, made a crazy amount of money here. Okay, this is profit land. Even if you want to wait for retest, it depends on your strategy. you're gonna make a massive amount of money. Okay, this is a special time, of course, because of Bank of England and all the decisions made by the UK government, and even the situation here in Europe is pretty tough. But look at this trade. This is a dream trade to me. Okay, then the price bounced on this level and then went up, and now it's lateralizing. But honestly, personally, I'm I'm gonna look for a continuation of this downtrend. So let's jump to the Australian dollar and the Japan yen. I really like this price action. As you can see, we got another shoulder here. It's not very symmetric because the right shoulder is lower than the left one. But anyway, the neckline was broken. The price started to go down again. Harmonic movement by the market, by the price. The flag and sell signal. The first breakout was quite good, but was not enough because the price was rebounding on the 95.50. Okay, I wanted to retest the previous level. Very important price structure on 96.10. It's been tested so many times. As you can see here, 1 time, 2 time, 3, and the other 5, 6 times. So a very important price structure. And then started to go down, reaching the 92.13. So another nice trade here on the 1 hour time frame. Bear in mind that those are this is just a small part of the trades. I guess that we also have some losers, but here is not showed. Let's jump to the silver. Flag sell signal breaking 1940. Yes, this price action doesn't even really look to me, but honestly, maybe you can trade the breakout of this range, because price is ranging between these two levels. Let me draw it, please. Okay. So we got a triangle, and the upper level at 1990 and the support at 1881. So yes, it depends on the left part of the chart, but it may be fair enough to trade this breakout. But of course, expect the retest, and it's genuine because the price retested and went back up inside the range and started to go down. But again, it retested the lower part of this range and then started to go down for 1797. I don't know, honestly. In day trading, I usually, if the market conditions are good enough, usually we scalp it. Okay, I don't know, on the 1 hour time frame, I don't test strategies for this time frame. But to me, I will stick to the pattern trading, so I will honestly avoid this one. This is the trading move, okay? But you're free to do whatever you want. So for today is everything. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Share with us, with other viewers, your opinions on the 1 hour time frame if you're trading the hourly. Okay. Stay tuned. See you soon. Bye bye.